baby, love.
So guys, this is a kinky coily hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how to wig and prep on a normal tailoring machine. As you can see, this is my space, my workspace. This is where I do my machine wigging, and to God be the glory, I've not had any issue with it just yet. So what I do is, this is a mesh cap, a mesh dome cap. So I am going to making sure there's no bump, all these things coming out. So I'm going to pin it, making sure everything is seated properly. The way you're seeing like this, it should be like this. So you see these two sides, I'm going to put a closure in between like this. It should come forward a bit, like few inches, like this. So now I'm going to be pinning it. It's so hard doing this and making a video. It is so difficult. I'm pinning both sides. Then it has to be very flat. I'm going to drag it all the way, pin it. Pin the other side as well. You can see how flat this one is. You can see how flat it is. You can see how flat this one is as well. So you still drag it and pin it. So we're going to be using our needle, like the normal long needle. I'm going to be packing the hair up, just so that there won't be any distraction. Then I'm going to use my band. I use the band because you know these hairs are very silky. So the band helps to make sure that the braid does not come off. So this is what I do. I take my needle, then I don't know if you guys can see. So you see, you do at the back as well.
Upon me, and send me to tell you my story. That's why blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give it.
And the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind, but my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci vibe or the Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, I'm only really want to play me. But when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. obey me. All the mother
This is how it looks like on me. Okay, now we're ready to wig the hair. Guys, my microblading is the best decision I've made on my face. Because I don't even need to even do too much. Okay. Let me stop here and continue to the order of the day. But I mean, I have to take some time to check out my cute self. Period. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm using this chalk.
you talking, the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
So the first tip when sewing your wefts on your wig cap is to not drag the wig cap or drag the weft or the bundle, because when you drag it and you are sewing on a sewing machine, it is definitely going to have bump. Like, I've had so many issues with it when I was trying to learn how to wig on a sewing machine, and it wasn't funny at all because I have to lose and start all over again. So one tip I'll tell you guys, when you are sewing on a machine, don't drag the wig cap. As you can see, you see that as I am going, I am putting my other hand at the side where I have already sewn. That just helps me to control my hand and to control the wig cap. It's very important, guys. Do not drag your wig cap. As you can see, this is a very smooth line, and this sewing machine does not have like the zigzag or the kind of zigzag stitch you get on a tabletop sewing machine. So what I do is, after I finish one line, I fold it over and I sew directly on top of the weft I have already sewn before. This is like a double running over stitch, so I have to go over it again. If I'm doubling the weft all the way to the top of the wig cap, I have to do it like this continuously, because if I sew the weft before I sew it on the wig cap, it doesn't work for the kind of stitch I am doing on this machine. So yeah, you have to consider that when you are using a normal tailoring sewing machine. Yeah.
You talking, the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Going to rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man.
how I measure band. So I just put it from my ear all the way to my ear. Like I drag it a bit, but not too much so that it won't be too tight. Then I just give like a little space and then cut it off so that it won't be too tight for the clients. I'm so beautiful! Oh my god! So I just roll the elastic band back to its original form, okay?
But back to you in the most. Yeah, Missy Blessings for all of American. But I go to the friends with the cup. You look part time. Sit down in a class, so I'm more than honest. Come on with it, come on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me the light. You know, some person ignited. But the music get me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But I'm good for the journey, the test. But back to you in the most. Yeah, Missy Blessings for all of American. But I go to the friends with the cup. You look part time. Sit down in a class, so I'm more than honest. Come on with it, come on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me the light. You know, some person ignited.